Hello and good day. We will explain to you the process on how to make a flowchart. Flowchart is a diagram of various steps and processes in sequential order. A flowchart is a series of diagrams on how a plan or process will proceed. This is useful when you are creating programming codes for machinery or making a plan and knowing what will happen. Its main purpose is for creating a clear visual presentation of a plan. Here are the basic flowchart symbols that we will use. These symbols are sufficient to create a complete flowchart. These symbols are terminator, flow line, process, data, decision.
So to proceed the discussion, we have to identify first the product we use in our flowchart. And in this case, we'll have to use the process of signing in an account of a particular website. And in this particular website, we will use Acme. So the first thing that we will need to do is to start the flowchart by putting a terminator symbol. It means the process is starting and you can now proceed. And in this case, since we are using Acme as a basis, you can use the website as a starting point. And before we proceed to the next symbol, we'll have to put a flow line after each symbol, as it is very necessary to know the direction of your process in the flowchart. Also, the second part is the process symbol, also known as the action symbol of a flowchart. And in our instance, the action that we need to take is signing into your account on the Acme homepage. So the third part is the process input, and as you can see, email ID and password are considered data inputs that will be entered in our system. After entering your data, you will next encounter the decision process, where you will be asked if the given input is correct, and if it is not, it will decide to display login error, and will take you back to the point where you were requested to enter data. And if the data on the other hand is correct, it will make a decision to send you to display account, which is also the data output of a flowchart. And once you've completed all those steps, you'll need to end the process at that point. And that's how we use the terminator to represent the conclusion of a process. And that's all for today's discussion. Thank you for listening. Till next time.